Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to clear browsing history on your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Privacy in the top menu bar. In the Manage Your Activity Data section, click on Browsing History. Scroll down. Here you can find all your browsing history data. Click on the Delete icon next to the history you want to delete. To delete all history at once, click on Clear All Browsing History link. Click on the Clear button. That's it, your browsing history data has been cleared. This is how you can clear browsing history data on your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.